Boys and girls, let's go behind the barn door and meet this female and male pig. A female pig is called a sow, and a male pig is called a boar. Here's a male pig, boys and girls. And there's a female there with her backside to us. I think she might have hurt her leg. Look, she has her leg up. Oh my goodness, what happened to your little leggy? Ah. Oh. Sorry. Looks like she hurt her leg. She was over there with her baby. See how her udders have dried up? Mama, you're our mama with the black nose. You're black on the nose. You had babies not too long ago. Have babies again, huh? Probably, I think the third litter for you. And boys and girls, that's gonna be the father of those babies. Mother pig and piglets. She's always chewing, huh? She's always chewing, your mama. What in the world is this mama always chewing about? The babies look at her. Hi there. Choo choo choo. Mama, why are you always chewing? Even your little baby is wondering. What are you chewing? Come, Mama. There's a baby. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Huh? What's going on over here, Mom? Hey, Mom. What is going on down there, huh? You and that nose. Oh, you're gonna rub your head, your neck, your chin. What is it, boys and girls? What is she rubbing? What part of her head? Even the babies are wondering, what is going on with Mama? So they watch their mama and see what she's doing. That's how they learn about different things. Hey, Mama! You're not chewing today. Just drink a lot of water to produce a lot of milk for those babies of hers. While she's drinking, I'll come over to the nurse.